Guys, look at that white color boats, white color Maldivian boats. There are lots of. They know if they hang on here, they might find something. It's like if you hang around a barber shop, sooner or later you're gonna have a haircut. Look at that. They know there are fish down there. I know they are so kind, these birds, and they know how to hunt really well. And they know now I'm reaching to them too. Look at them far away, that island. I'm like 20 or like 25 feet away from them. Still, they are stable, looking solid. And I can't wait. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. They flew far. They flew far. It's beautiful, right?